Have you ever walked into a room only to find your cat dramatically flopping onto the floor belly up, staring at you like they're summoning ancient magic? You freeze. Are they inviting a belly rub? Or setting a trap? Let's get one thing straight. When your cat rolls over after seeing you, it's not just because they love you. In fact, that move might be sending a message you've been misunderstanding for years. Let's break it down. Number 1, it's a sign of trust but not always an invite. You come home from work. As soon as you open the door, your cat rushes to the hallway and plop. Down they go, belly exposed, tail twitching. Your heart melts. Oh, they missed me. But here's the catch. Exposing the belly in the cat world doesn't mean pet me. It means I feel safe enough around you to be vulnerable. According to feline behaviorist Dr. Mikel Delgado, when cats show their belly, they're communicating security, not submission. Unlike dogs, who often roll over to show deference, cats roll to say, "This is my space, I trust you, but don't get cocky." In fact, try petting that fluffy tummy, and you might suddenly find yourself in a furry whirlwind of paws and claws. That's because the belly is highly sensitive, and most cats don't like it touched. Have you ever reached out to rub your cat's belly and instantly regretted it? Type guilty in the comments if you've been betrayed by the fluff. Number 2, it's a feline greeting, their way of saying hi. Let's shift the scene. You wake up, yawn, stretch, walk into the kitchen, and there's your cat again, on their back, rolling side to side like they're auditioning for a shampoo commercial. What's going on? This is actually a friendly greeting. In feline communication, body postures speak louder than meows. When your cat rolls over when they see you, especially combined with slow blinking or soft purring, it's their way of saying, "I acknowledge you, and I like having you around." It's like a furry little bow. This behavior is especially common in well-socialized cats who have strong bonds with their humans. It's their version of waving hello, with their whole body. Number 3, scent marking their territory, including you. Now let's get scientific. Cats have scent glands on their head, cheeks, paws, and even along their sides. When they roll on the floor and twist, they're not just stretching, they're marking their scent on that spot. Why? Because cats are territorial creatures. By rolling where you walk, or even at your feet, your cat is saying, "This is mine. This space, this rug, this human." In multi-cat households, you may notice one cat rolling in a spot where another just walked. It's a subtle turf war, carried out in soft fur and invisible smells. So the next time your cat rolls in front of you and rubs their head on your foot, don't take it lightly. You're being claimed. You thought rolling was just a quirky cat thing? Think again. What your cat is doing might go way deeper than love or play. Let's dive into more surprising truths. Number 4, it's a form of cat play, and you're the toy. Picture this. Your cat sees you walking by, rolls onto their back, stretches dramatically, and then pounces at your foot the moment you move. No, your cat's not confused. They're playing. According to feline ethologists, this belly flop and swipe move mimics the predatory sequence cats use in the wild. Stalk, chase, ambush, pounce. When your cat rolls in front of you, they're lowering their body and preparing for action. It's like feline parkour, just fluffier. Dr. Sarah Ellis, a cat behavior expert from the University of Lincoln, notes that play in adult cats is often directed at people they trust. So if your cat rolls and attacks your feet, don't be offended. It's actually a compliment. Fun fact, indoor cats need up to 30 minutes of interactive play each day. Rolling over and ambushing your ankles is their way of saying, "I'm bored. Be my prey." Does your cat ever do a sneak attack roll? Tell us your funniest ambush moment in the comments. Number 5, they're copying kitten behavior, forever babies at heart. Here's where things get nostalgic and adorable. When kittens are young, they spend a lot of time rolling, wiggling, and exposing their bellies during play and nursing. Rolling is a major part of kitten communication. And here's the thing, cats never fully grow out of it around humans they trust. Why? Because we become their pseudo-parents. Cats who form strong bonds with humans often retain juvenile behaviors, a phenomenon called neoteny. Think about it. Your cat meows like a kitten, follows you around, and yes, rolls over just like they did when they were tiny and safe with their mother. It's a behavioral time capsule. So when your cat flops onto their back in front of you, they're not just stretching, They're saying, "I feel as safe with you as I did with my mom." Kind of makes your heart melt, doesn't it? Number 6. It could be a sign of heat. Watch for this in females. Now here's one that surprises many cat parents. If your female cat isn't spayed and suddenly starts rolling on the floor more frequently, especially while vocalizing or rubbing against furniture, there's a chance she's in heat. This behavior is part of her mating signal. Rolling helps spread her scent and shows potential mates she's receptive. It's easy to confuse this with affection, especially if she rolls in front of you and meows sweetly. But if it's combined with restlessness, increased vocalization, raised hindquarters when petted, then congratulations, you've got a hormone-fueled diva in the house. Tip: if your cat's rolling seems excessive, erratic, or sudden, it's always a good idea to check with a vet, especially if she's unspayed. Number 7. Stress relief. Yes, rolling can be a coping mechanism. Have you noticed your cat rolling more after something stressful, like a vet visit, a stranger in the house, or a loud thunderstorm? Cats don't always express anxiety like humans do. Instead of pacing or crying, some cats display displacement behaviors, actions that seem normal but happen at odd times or in excess. Rolling on the floor can be one of them. It helps them self-soothe. The movement may stimulate their skin's sensory nerves, and combined with scent marking, it creates a familiar, calming environment. It's like us taking a deep breath or pacing around the room. Your cat's saying, "That was scary, but I'm grounding myself now." Scientific insight. A 2019 study from the Journal of Feline Medicine Surgery found that cats exposed to minor environmental stressors often displayed comfort-seeking behaviors, like increased grooming, head rubbing, and yes, rolling. Has your cat ever rolled dramatically right after a tense moment? Share your story in the comments. We might just feature it in our next video. Number 8. Mimicking wild ancestry. A panther in your living room. Your cat might seem like a fluffy house pet, but under that soft belly is a miniature panther. And sometimes those wild instincts sneak out. In the wild, big cats like leopards and cheetahs often roll on the ground to coat their fur in natural scents, scratch hard-to-reach places, or distract prey by pretending to be passive. Your indoor kitty. Same playbook. By rolling in front of you, your cat might be mimicking that wild misdirection tactic. "Look at me, I'm harmless. Now bam, I pounce your shoelace." So next time you see your cat roll over and wiggle, remember, there's a jungle lurking in that hallway. Number 9. It's a learned behavior because you react to it. Here's a truth bomb. Your cat knows exactly how to manipulate you. If every time your cat rolls over, you laugh, coo, or give them attention, they learn that rolling equals reward. It's positive reinforcement in action. Over time, they associate that movement with praise, food, or play. So they repeat it, not because they feel something, but because you do. One viewer once shared that her cat would roll over only when she was on Zoom calls because she knew it got an instant awe and sometimes treats. That's not affection, that's strategy. So yes, your cat might be playing you like a fiddle, and honestly, you probably love it. Number 10. Medical red flag. When rolling becomes a symptom. Let's get serious for a second. If your cat suddenly starts rolling on the floor repeatedly, especially paired with signs like excessive vocalizing, head shaking, scratching one side of the body, loss of balance, it might not be cute. It could be a medical emergency. Conditions like ear infections, neurological issues, or flea infestations can cause cats to roll or twist on the floor in discomfort. One of the most overlooked causes? Ear mites. These tiny parasites drive cats crazy, leading them to rub, roll, and shake obsessively. Pro tip: if rolling looks frantic or unusual and not like their usual playful flop, it's vet time. Trust your gut. So the next time your cat rolls over at your feet, don't just assume it's an invitation for belly rubs. Behind that simple act could lie affection, stress, instincts, strategy, or a cry for help. Your cat is always communicating. You just have to learn to listen. If this video helped you understand your feline better, don't stop here. Watch our next video, 7 Secret Sounds your cat instantly recognizes, vet explained. It'll blow your mind how much your cat actually understands. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your favorite cat roll story in the comments. We read them all, because when it comes to cats, every purr has a purpose.